In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an epic in Jira. If you're managing projects with Jira, you've likely encountered situations where cleaning up your backlog becomes necessary, and deleting an unused or completed epic can help maintain a tidy project board. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you're comfortable executing this task. We'll begin our journey in the project's sidebar. From there, navigate to the backlog section of your project. This area is where you can manage and organize your tasks, so it's the perfect starting point for deleting an epic. Once you're in the backlog, you'll want to make sure you're displaying your epics. To do this, look for the epic filter option. Click on it and enable the show epic panel toggle. This will allow you to view all the epics related to your project, which is crucial for identifying the specific epic you want to delete. Now, within the epic panel, you should see a list of all current epics. Carefully locate the epic you intend to delete. Ensuring you select the correct one is vital, as deleting an epic will remove all associations and can impact linked issues. Once you've identified the epic, look for the small chevron, represented by a greater than symbol, next to your chosen epic. Clicking this will expand a view of the epic's details. For a more detailed look, you can click on the View All Details button. This action will take you to a panel where you can see all relevant information about the epic, which can be valuable if you want a final overview before proceeding with deletion. In this detailed view panel, your next step is to locate the three dots menu. This menu is essentially your key to further options, including deleting the epic. Once you click on these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will select the delete option. Choosing this option will prompt a confirmation step. This step is important, as it acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. To finalize the deletion of your selected epic, you'll need to confirm your decision by clicking delete again. Make sure you're completely certain before you confirm, because this action will remove the epic permanently. Once this is done, you've successfully deleted the epic, helping to streamline your project management process in Jira. And there you have it, you've successfully completed each step in the process of deleting an epic. Maintaining a clear and organized backlog in Jira can significantly improve your workflow efficiency and project clarity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for your project management needs in Jira. Until next time.